Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Arwa's Living. Today I am making gosht ke kache kebab. Let's see the ingredients required for this recipe. Here you can see I have taken beef. I have cut them into long strips. About this is ½ inch in width and they are long pieces. I have washed it nicely and removed all the excess water from this. We are going to marinate this. For the marination, I have taken 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, chicken tandoori masala. This is optional. You can skip if you don't like. This I'll be using ½ teaspoon, salt, and oil for deep frying. So let's start with the procedure now. I'm going to add all the ingredients one by one. Ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, chicken tandoori masala, and salt. If you want to make it spicier, you can adjust it according to your taste. So this is very simple and easy recipe. This is also called as Veel Kabab. So now mix up all the ingredients. Make sure there is no water in this, otherwise the masala will not coat to the mutton properly. So this is done. Now you need to marinate this for at least an hour and then you can deep fry this kebabs. So I am going to close this and keep it aside for marination. Once I have mixed up all the ingredients, I have transferred this into an airtight container. Now I am going to marinate this for at least 1 hour and then we are going to deep fry the kebabs. This kebabs you can use as a side dish with any of your gravies like dal or pyaz ka khata or tomato ka bharta. Anything works well with this recipe. So let's keep this for marination. So it's almost an hour after marination. Now you can see I have heated the oil for deep frying the kebabs. The oil is hot. Now I am going to add the kebabs and fry them till they turn golden brown in color. Turn to the other side and fry them. Fry them till they turn golden brown in color. And the kebabs will be ready. So now you can see they have turned golden brown in color. The kebabs are ready. I'm going to remove this. And here garam Veel Kababs are ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.